Hey guys, it's Noki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the latest NATASHA DENONA ZENDO palette. It was launched on 10th of May on NATASHA DENONA's website and Sephora. You can also buy it from our platform later this month. So if you're interested in this new ZENDO palette or you want to see how I played with this 15 shades, keep watching. With this ZENDO palette, it's smaller palette from NATASHA DENONA, so the price for this 15 shade is $65 and I think it will be £50 in the UK later on. So let's have a look on this palette. With these 9 shades, you can kind of see they are all warm tone, brownish, reddish color, and with these 6, lean on the cool tone side a bit more with some blue, milky green, seems more challenging and more playful. So let's start talking about the colors shade by shade. The first shade, Mindful. The texture is very special, close to matte but not entirely matte. Very buttery, easy to apply on, high pigmented. It's a warm toned caramel brown. The second one, Luster. It's a metallic gold, bronzy gold, giving me a couture vibe. The third shade, Balance. This one, the texture is entirely matte, slightly drier, very high pigmented as well. The fourth shade, Flow. It's a duochrome shade. From different angles, you can see blue and teal green. The last one from this row, Mantra. The texture is close to matte but not entirely matte. Dark forest green, very easy to blend out. Okay, for the second row, the first shade, Aura. It's another duochrome shade. From different angles, you can see gold and orange. Okay, the second one from this row, Vigor. It's a matte shade, a red with a yellow undertone, so quite warm tone. The texture is a bit dry as well, but luckily not much fallout. The third one, Relief. It's another matte shade, a peachy pink, very useful shade again. The fourth one, Equilibrium, a duochrome shade, a dark blue-green with some teal shifts. The last one from this row, Breath. Another half matte texture. It's a milky green. This one is the lightest shade from this palette. Okay, the third row, the first shade, Sense. It's another metallic shade, a pinkish chocolate brown. The next one, Tranquil. It's a light shimmery pink. The third one, Calm. I don't quite get this name. For this shade, it's a light peach. You wouldn't relate to Calm. Anyway, the fourth shade, Yama. Another duochrome shade with a strong shift, the strongest from this palette. From different angles, you can see brown and light green shift. Okay, the last one, another matte shade, Zeal. The texture is a bit dry again. It's a muddy green. So after trying on 4 different eye looks with this Natasha Denona Zendo palette, you have a little bit of everything from this palette. A little bit of warm toned, a little bit of cool toned, some safe neutral shades, and some playful creative shades. So you can either put on a day-to-day natural look, or you can play with colors to create something different. Like what I'm wearing, compared to the same size palette, glam or bronze palette, there are either all cool tone neutral or all warm tone neutral. This one is kind of different because you know sometimes you get tired of always wearing the same makeup look every single day. With this palette, you have different options. Also, with the quality of Natasha Denona's eyeshadows, they are always high pigmented, texture always buttery. I mean, with some matte shades from this palette, they are kinda drier than normal, but luckily not much fallout. With the color story, this Zendo palette kinda reminds me the bigger palette Metropolis, the one I haven't got, but with the price and the size, I think I'm more happy with this one. So here is what I thought about this new Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Let me know what you think, which colors you like the most, or you think there are too much similarity from other palettes you've got from Natasha Denona before. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!